Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I want to talk to you about how to leverage your business and how to make sure that you're scaling. And whether you're just starting a business, you're selling here, you're in construction, you're selling cars. There are two ways that I have been able to scale, and some of my mentors have actually this question. So I am bringing in some of the ways that I was able to scale. One thing that I did is making sure that you're starting from somewhere, but you are not stopping from that thing. So let's do an example. You are selling cars, right? You're bringing cars, you're selling Toyota, Ford, any other cars. One of the steps that you have to do is to have a shop where you can have all those cars parked, and people can actually come to your shop to come and see it. The other thing that you can do from having that is, you can open a mechanic workshop. So again, you're starting from somewhere, maybe with no structure. Now you're putting system in place, you are putting people in place that is going to help you scale. You are hiring the team that you need. So sales people that you need that's going to help you to sell some of these products. So that's one. So we talk about leverage. Leverage is using the power of people. Number two, we talk about systems and tools that are going to help you to scale your database, where is how you contact people, your social media, and all of that. Those are the things that I'm talking about. Now, in hiring people, you have to hire the right people. A lot of people have made mistakes, and I have honestly made this mistake in the past where you are hiring the people that are available to you. Hiring people that are available to you is not going to help you scale business, because you're hiring your sister, your mother, whoever you think that, oh yeah, can you help me? Can you mentor me on this? And you're like, oh, this person looks like people that I can need. Because a lot of business owners are very busy, so we hiring the people that we see, not the people that we need. So sometimes consulting with people that are going to help you to find the right people is very important. And this is something that I've learned that I think is going to help you. By the way, subscribe to this channel, because I've been thinking about what ways can I bring value to a lot of people, right? And I'm thinking this is probably going to bring a lot of value. So if you have questions as well, I want you to put it in the chat. But one of the things that you want to consider when you're hiring people is you have three groups of people. You have your bottom 10%. These are people that are just coming, they're just clocking in, they don't buy into the vision of the organization, they don't care whether or not you sell. All they want is that they want to leave early and come late. Okay, those are the 10 people. You need to fire those people. If you have those people in your organization right now, you need to fire them. The middle people are maybe like 80%. And then you have the top 10%. The top 10% are people that you want to motivate, you want to keep talking to them. You want to have some conversations with them. And what I mean is, you guys are talking about, okay, this is how to move forward. What are your goals? How do you see yourself align with the visions of the organization? Okay, if you want to go international as like a business owner that sells cars, for example, this is a person that is going to help you to get there. This is the person that see you in the next 5 to 10 years, and they are bringing in basically like this. They are seeing your vision as their baby. They are ready to die for it. Those are the people that you need. You need to hire a lot of those people. You'll find those people everywhere you go. The 80 people, the 80% of people, you're trying to make 10 people, 10% people an example of what is needed. So you're promoting them, you're highlighting them at events, you're doing a lot of things, and the 80%, you're trying to show them the example of the 10%, the A class. So A class, B class, and C class. So this is something that I have launched in my business, and this is something that can cost you a lot of money or help you to scale fast. Now, putting yourself in the right room, I'm talking about sponsors. Sponsors are people that are going to put your name in places where you're not even thinking where you're going to get with this. So you want this kind of collaboration. A lot of sponsors, sometimes you're not directly competing with them. So let's say, again, for people that are selling cars, for example, who is a good collaborator? A good collaborator might be somebody that is selling parts. A good collaborator might be, like if you're selling luxury brand, it could be like maybe a football club or something, a senior club where they like, cars and all of that, and they can come to a place and sell those kind of cars. Those are people that can collaborate with you. Those are people that can sponsor your business. Those are the people that are your marketing team that are going to ensure that you're doing well. And let's not even forget the power of marketing. Marketing is very important in today's day and age, and you need brand ambassadors for your business as well. If you are not thinking about that already, I think that's one of the cheapest way to market your business, and you yourself has to be a brand ambassador for yourself. And for realtors, for real estate agents, you guys know that I have a coaching program for that. one of the things that I've really taught my agents is make sure you have a website. Why will you be having a business in this day and age and you don't have a website? You need to have a website. People have to know that they are searching you. The name of your business, okay, if it's General Motors, you have to have General Motors on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, all the social media avenues. You need to try and make sure that you have a website that is functioning. Make sure you're checking it time to time to make sure that it's functioning. Whether or not you're gonna do SEO and all of those things, I mean, it depends on the budgets that you have on your marketing. But I think definitely you need to do the small things that are going to make the big difference. Now, when we're talking about the vision of your organization, you yourself have to be able to communicate your vision. People in your organization needs to know what exactly you stand for, what you're standing for. If it's quality, if it's luxury cars that you're delivering, what is that thing that makes you stand out that you can communicate very well to all your employees and they know that this is something that is important to you? So, for example, if it's cleanliness, you want to make sure that all the cars are clean, the environment is clean, people are wearing, very polished clothing that's, yeah, or uniforms that make them clean. Like, you want to represent all of this from your brand from A to Z. So those are some of the things that has helped me personally in business now. If you have suggestions of things that has helped you in your business, that has helped you to scale, let's do it. The other thing that I didn't mention, and I know I've said this before, is, oh my goodness, the power of just making sure that you have systems in terms and also investing in some of the things that you need, like taxes, for example. File your taxes, guys. Make sure that you have a banking institution that is believing in your business, somebody that you can actually go into and say, oh, hey, what is going on here? I need a business credit, or somebody that you can call if you have questions to ask about your banking, right? So you want to make sure that somebody identifies with you, because these are people that will tell you about the opportunities or the programs that they have to support the kind of business. They are the ones that will invite you to those conversations. They are the ones that can help you with loans, mortgages, and other things like that. So having a relationship with the bank, and by the way, this bank also sometimes will partner with you on some of the things that you need. I've had bank partners that's helped me in my business in the past. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm running out of breath, but I will see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Tell me exactly what you need in the next upcoming video so that I can bring you more value. Okay. Until then, see you next week. Okay.